Dear friends, greetings to all. Today's topic is criteria in the selection of research problem. This is in the second chapter of the research methodology. The chapter name is Design of Research Problem. Then let us see what are the criteria in the selection of research problem. This is very crucial one. Then these criteria can be outlined in as 6 points. Let us see the first one, that is the subject which is overdone should not be selected by the researcher. So since nothing new the researcher is going to produce through the study. Okay, suppose that about the in a locality usually the job satisfaction of the self-financing college professors are studied by the researchers mostly. I personally know that lot of researchers are there. Then anyone know that the salary is the main factor. That one will not satisfy them. And this is overdone. Result already known. And a lot of information is gathered. So that kind of study should not be selected. Some new area can be selected. Then the socio-economic condition, that also may be studied, but the college process only they are confined to the job satisfaction. Don't do that. Somewhat deviation should be there. That means they can think about the socio-economic condition. Why not? Sometimes that may be better. Even then salary is low through the economical spending and getting more savings than the other process, aided college process or government college process. They may spend all and not having any sufficient savings. Like that, that overdone subject should not be selected. New subject area should be think by the researcher. Okay. Then second one is controversial subject should not be selected. Controversial subject means then there may be some hatred may be developing. Why you are going to the controversial subject? So many subjects are available. Means about the political situation, condition, about the religion area is selected means definitely controversial subject. Then drinking habits also somewhat, but anyways, okay, no problem. So that subject should not be selected by the researcher. Try to find out some new area through the literature review and pilot study. Develop a good area and then develop the research problem. Okay. Selection of the problem itself means the selection of the topic also associated with that also. Okay. Then third one is too narrow or too vague subject should not be selected. Too narrow means only a study about probability of concerns in one panchayat area. That is narrow. Or one area where the population size is only 70 or 100. Whereas the size should be somewhat more. The size will not, population number is one factor, but the area is narrowed means that is not good. Vague subject should not be selected. It's not able to get a clear result. That kind of topic should be avoided by the researcher. Then then fourth one is the subject selected and selection of the research problem should be within the limit of time, energy and finance. Whether it is possible for that researcher to do it within the limitations they are having, financial factor. So one state need not be selected, one district may be selected. Okay, in the district, the unit, that maybe that margin-free shops in a district. So margin-free shops in one place, maybe 10. That is, we are calling narrow, that I told. And this is that financial factor, time factor. If you are selecting 2 or 3 district means that it is very difficult because that collection data itself takes a long time and huge amount should be spent. Lot of strain is there and the reliability also will be reducing. Okay, then fifth one is that the subject should be familiar and feasible one. Familiar subject only should be selected, and also whether it is feasible to do. Feasible to do means whether this kind of research can be done. Maybe the researcher is in one place and the study may be in long place, that the researcher may be in Kanyakumari district and taking a topic in that Ernakulam district of Kerala. How it is possible? Not feasible. And also the subject should also be familiar. Everyone should know that that subject is having some scope. That kind of subject only should be selected. Okay, you know that what are from your pilot study and your literature review, you will be getting an idea which one is familiar and which one is feasible. Then last one is the selection should be preceded with the preliminary study. Final selection of the research problem should be based on the preliminary study. Without that, you don't select a problem. Pilot study is called preliminary study, pilot study. Pilot study means, suppose you have decided to collect data from 150 respondents, you take it. That is consumers of a particular product you want to study. And then your idea is about 150. Then you should randomly select 10 or 15 or 20 and frame a questionnaire and meet them and get some idea. Then you will be knowing whether the data, sufficient data you can able to get or not. Then if it is not best, then you can choose to some other topic. That is the, direction given by the pilot study. So some literature review should also be conducted. Okay. Thank you very much.